Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'm going to be showing you my second Halloween look. This is what I'm going to be for Halloween and I really wanted to show it to you guys. It turned out so stinking cute. I am kind of obsessed. I love the glitter, the whole getup, okay? So I do have like an entire dress with this costume that I got at Spirit Halloween. So they do have like a fortune teller costume there that you can get. And it did come with this headpiece, which is perfect. I think I'm gonna do the moon a little smaller on Halloween so that you can actually see it. But yeah, I love it, you guys. It turned out so fun. So I really hope you guys enjoy this tutorial on how to get this look. This is probably the last time I will talk to you guys before Halloween, so I hope everyone has an awesome and safe Halloween. Definitely leave me comments below telling me what you guys are going to be for Halloween, and I would love to know what videos you guys would like to see from me after Halloween is over. It could be skincare related, makeup, whatever. I really want to do a like little fall try-on haul. But I don't know if I can make it work because I don't have like a selfie camera. I only have this huge filming camera, so I may just have to give it a try and see if I like it. Anyways, let's go ahead and get right into the video. If you guys want to see how I got this Demented fortune teller look, then just keep on watching. So I went ahead and did my foundation and concealer using these two products, and now I'm just taking a matte black gel liner and smudging that all over my lid. I'm using the Maybelline one, I believe, and this is a brush from the BH Cosmetics Rose Quartz set, and we're just going to messily smudge that all over the lid to have as a base for our eyeshadow. Next, I'm jumping into my Jaclyn and Morphe Vault collection, and I'm going to be using the shade Framed. I use a lot of eyeshadows out of these collections because they have so many colors. Like, I honestly don't need to reach for many other palettes anymore, but this is a beautiful deep burgundy shade, and it really matched the dress that I'm wearing, so you could definitely do a different shade if you don't have the same exact costume. But I'm just going to smudge this all over the lash line and then up into the crease. And I'm even going to bring it like right into the inner corner and kind of flick it up into the brow. Now I'm going to go into the original Morphe and Jaclyn palette and take this matte black eyeshadow. Her Vault collection does have a black eyeshadow, but it does have a little bit of like glitter or reflect in it, so I wanted a good matte shade, and this one I am just packing all over the lid, and then I will blend it up just a little bit just to deepen everything up. Now I'm going to take the same shades down to the lower lash line, but first I'm taking that burgundy shade and we're going to start bringing that down underneath that lower lash line, almost in like the shape of a tear falling down the face. So I'm just going to gradually kind of drag that down to a point. Moving on to the glitter, I'm taking the NYX Glitter Glue and the loose glitter from NYX in the shade Goldstone. You could use like a true gold. This is kind of more of like a deep bronze gold that I really like. And I'm just going to pack that right over that teardrop that we've created. And then I also bring it up to the top of the lid in just a second and kind of mimic what we did on the lower lash line up on the lid, if that makes sense. You guys will see here in just a second. So I wanted to make it pop just a little bit more, so I added the NYX Liquid Crystal Body Liner in the shade Crystal Gold right on top. So I decided to jump to the face for a second, and I'm taking that black eyeshadow and I'm just using that as my contour. But you want to use a very, very light hand and use the smallest amount of product because I didn't want to have like big black stripes on my face, so definitely use a light hand. Going back into that burgundy shade, I'm going to deepen up the lash line a little bit more and also bring it back onto the glitter to deepen up that as well. Taking another shadow from the Vault collection called Power Cut. It's this beautiful deep silver shade, and I'm going to use that as my highlight. So I'm putting it on my cheeks, my forehead, bridge of the nose, Cupid's bow. Unfortunately, the camera doesn't really pick this shade up, but it was kind of like a pretty subtle highlight for like a dead person. So here I'm just taking a little bit of my Morphe bronzer and warming up the skin just a little bit because I didn't want to look completely dead. I wanted to look kind of dark and scary, but I still wanted to have like some warmth and color to my face. Next, we're going to draw the half moon circle on our face, and this was super tricky, you guys. I had to redo this like 3 times, but that's okay. First, I started with this NYX liner, as you see here, and it wasn't going very well, so I switched to the black Snazaroo face paint, and I really liked that. It worked a lot better. So the key is to stabilize your hand somehow, like putting your pinky on your nose or resting your wrist on your chin. Somehow stabilizing your hand to create a nice line, and then we're just going to add that little cross right underneath. Now, if you don't want to look quite so demented, you could definitely leave this symbol off and do something else, but I did want to go for more of like a dark demented fortune teller, so you could play around with some other symbols or just do no symbols, whatever you want to do, but I really liked that this kind of added to the more dark effect. Going back to that NYX Liquid Gold Liner, I'm taking this to fill in that moon. I use a lot of NYX in this video, and that's because NYX has a lot of really good quality, affordable products. So if you need some good Halloween makeup, I highly recommend checking out what NYX has. And then using that same liquid liner, I'm going to put that right in the inner corner of the eye as my highlight. I have seen some girls put like a chunky glitter or even like some sequins they would glue on right there, and that would be really cute as well. Picking up that same matte black eyeshadow and a pencil brush, I'm going to lightly shade around the entire symbol just to make it stand out a little bit more. To finish off the face, I'm using that same burgundy eyeshadow as my blush. And then I did go off camera and apply my mascara and some false lashes. I used the Ardell Faux Minks in the number 814. To finish off the makeup, I'm applying my NYX Liquid Suede lipstick in the shade Club Hopper. They also have a black in the same formula. I really like the formula. It doesn't dry super dry, so your lips still kind of feel hydrated. And that is it for the makeup. So then we just need to put on our head wrap that came with the costume. You can also find like turbans and stuff online that would be super cute. And I also have a crystal ball and a nose ring that I got off Amazon for super cheap. So you can definitely find some pieces on Amazon or elsewhere rather than spending a ton of money at the Halloween store. And yeah. as always, I will have everything listed in the description box below the video of items I used and products I used, so always check there. And that is it, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.